So here's Baron 1898. In a few moments you will be ready for your descent. Your team of mine workers is responsible for producing high revenues. The shaft tower is the gateway to the underground tunnels and their treasures.
U zijt gewaarschuwd.
Miners, be warned.
Please take a closer look at the instructions above the door. Opstellen, iedereen gezet. Ter voorbereiding van de afdaling. Welkom wordt u verwacht in het gebouw waar uw transport voorheen staat.
You're watching Ride Comparisons and this is Baron. Hands up. You can do it, you can do it. Gotta love Baron. What do you think of Baron?
I love Baron.
Yeah, it's a very good ride. I mean, we established last time, during the day, the ride experience beats Oblivion at Alton Towers, but the actual ride itself doesn't compare. But then when you ride Baron at night, it is just so much better than Oblivion, so there's our thoughts on that one, guys.